think that's where you've really got to ask for the support, and again, hands-on. Foster Swansea, the amount of support that we had when, you know, we did have a child that, you know, had a lot of issue because of his trauma.
Yeah.
We had so many social workers here, we had behavioural experts, you know, they were fantastic.
You've got to have the support, and my big one is my sister. She's a support worker, she works with children, but again, I can ring her up and I can say, like he's had a really bad day, and you know, I'm just feeling it today, and she'll just have the right answers, or she'll say, do you want me to take him for a couple of hours for you, because she's a significant adult. And it's have a family around you who understand as well, and
and friends.
Yeah,
my friends have been so important to me through it, you know. Like at moments we would all have to have time out of the house. I message my friend, we go for coffee, yoga, message my brother, he'd come and get my husband, take him out, you know what I mean? So your network is so important. Yeah, in the short time that, you know, I've known everybody, you know, the information that I've been able to get to be able to support him has been fantastic.
Yeah.
You know, and I'm sure there'll be days where, you know, I might have a down day and I'll be able to reach out, and you know, you will have been through it yourselves, isn't it?
And if there's those sort of fairly regular meetings, like we've had difficult phases, haven't we? And you just feel that other people understand, and you don't have to worry about confidentiality because you're already in that confidential group where you're not going to share outside of it. Because that's a hard one, because your friends can be there. They don't foster, but it's hard, isn't it? 'Cause you can't really go into any specific details, and keeps you going, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. I think it's like all of us know what each other's going through. When things are bad, is you know it's not something you're doing wrong, because other people have experienced it. So it's sort of like you're not judged. You're not judged when something's going wrong, and you know he's having a bad day, and you're thinking, oh, is it something I've done? You're not being judged then by others, because obviously all you guys have been through it as well.
And it's not just a case of, oh, it's that age, or you know, people minimise it sometimes. You're like, no. Well, it is that, but it's also this is a lot more than what you've been through. I mean, not that, because fostering is very different, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, they're not your children, but they become like your children, and it's like, I don't, you know,
the connection is still there.
Their history is different, isn't it? Their history is different, so you're having to work with a lot of unknowns, aren't you, and things that you don't know about. But I think with the group, it's great because you get to know more about those issues.